What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's episode is going to be on my partner's Genesis. We're going to be installing Autoone's LED fog lights. So stay tuned. So while my partner is getting the car prepped, this is Autoone. They reached out to me. We actually did a video for the van. Now this is for my partner's fog lights. He has currently yellow ones, and these are going to be white. These are the specifications, their support, and their website is right there. So we're going to open it up. I'm probably going to put the camera down so I can open it up. I can't open it up with one arm. And I'll bring you guys. All right. So brings a little instruction manual, and here are the LEDs. I believe yours are H7s?
H7 or H11?
Something like that, yeah. So it's one of those two. These are the actual bulbs that has a Garmin, a seal here for water, I'm guessing. That's LED right there. That's the plug.
H11 for H8, H9.
Yeah, so like it's one bulb for all those, which is pretty good, which is most likely these little rivets. We're actually going to reach in, instead of taking the whole bumper off, we're going to reach in from the passenger side. And see here he has enough space, and change out the fog light, the bulb, and then we'll test it out. Actually, he's going to hook it up right now to do the before with a OEM yellow, you can say, the halogen yellow, and then we're going to do the white ones so you can see the difference. All right, so these are the OEM halogen yellow. You can't really tell, but basically we're gonna put them white. You can actually see on the van it's yellow. Now we're gonna reach into the driver's side fender liner, and we're gonna put in the bulb, and you're gonna see a difference. All right, yeah, don't look at it. So this fog light is weird. It's actually the cables by itself. It's not an actual plug, but basically you put it into the fog light, and then you put it back into the housing, which is over there. Sorry for the light not, camera not catch it. There you go. Test it out before you put it in, but this works. So we're gonna slide it back in there, and we should be good. Again, it's a little harder in one hand. Once I finish, I'll bring you guys a gun along. All right, so I don't know why it didn't show up on video, but it's very bright. Actually, let me just turn off the headlights. And that's what the truck is in the way. Pretty bright. And it has a nice white. Yeah, you guys can't see, but you can see there. That's a yellow, white. Big difference. Let's do the other side now, and then we'll show you the finished product. So this is installed also. Pretty easy install. So now he can actually see at night. Sorry with the sirens, but this is the box. It's actually 6.5K white. They have golden yellow. They have switchbacks. Ooh, that should be a nice one to try out next time. We could probably replace that. All right, here it is turned on. It actually looks really good. And the brightness, you can see it's like a little shadow. But oh yeah, that makes the car look way better. Can you turn out the headlight so you can get a look at just the fog lights, since that's what we installed there now? Oh yeah, look at that. Still see it. That's actually the pattern of the fog light. Wow, they're actually really bright. That's it for today's video. I'm gonna put the link down below description of Autoone's website. That way you guys can go ahead and check it out. Look at that. Fog lights are really bright. So yeah, I actually recommend them. They're actually really good. It looks like good quality. Time will tell, but usually LEDs, they will last long. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. Once again, guys, thank you for all the support on all the platforms. I'm gonna put the link down below for our IG, so you can see all our projects that we don't post here on YouTube. So you can follow the Lexus build, which was on the other side, the van build, and of course we have my partner's car, the Genesis, that we've done a couple things to. Once again, guys, thank you for all the support. On to the next one.